YouTubies, how's it going? Alright, tonight we're having a Dairy Queen, what was it again?
Something cheesecake.
Caramel fudge cheesecake, I think is what it was. Yeah, caramel fudge cheesecake. Couldn't remember. We just got it. We had to drive around a little bit to find a spot to do the video at, because the spot we was going to go at,
Somebody was parked there.
Somebody's parked there. And then every other place we wanted to go, somebody's parked there. Seeing a real pretty sunset as we try to drive around.
Yeah, I picked on the Dairy Queen employee. It's like, yeah, I thought about being really honoring. You know, when they asked me what else did I want, I was going to say, hot employee with twin bobtails. She just chuckled.
That's kind of cool. It's got little chunks of chocolate in it. Is that like cookie dough in there or something? Or is it
cheesecake or something?
Okay.
I don't know. We decided just to get one to share.
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't finish when we each get one.
Oh, there's caramel inside the chocolate chunks. That's what it is. Yeah, partly we decided to get out a little bit to get gas, get prepped for the next week. But then also we decided just partly to get out to get a little out of the house a little bit. Something non-medical for a change.
Yeah.
It's like any other time we get out of the house, it's always going to this doctor or that doctor or the other doctor. It's like, ugh.
Yeah, next week we only have 4 appointments.
Only 4. How y'all doing? Good, I hope. Let us know if you've tried these. These are actually pretty good. I didn't see it until we'd already ordered and we got up to the next
I doubt if they tried me.
window. What?
You pointed right at me and said, let them know if you tried these.
Behave.
That's our first.
But until we got up to the next window and noticed that they had a mint chocolate something blizzard. Yeah, mint chocolate brownie blizzard. I want to try that next. Wish they had it on the main menu thingy where we could have seen it. But this is good too also. So
Yeah, we got the top open so we get fresh air. If you hear the vehicle running, we got the heat on so we don't freeze.
I got the heated seats on so I have a little toasty butt.
Oh, I didn't know you had yours on.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't turn mine on.
It's on low. I should turn on high, but it works.
Yeah, you can't feel the low.
Hmm?
You can't feel the low.
Okay.
You eat it all before I get a bite?
Yeah.
At this rate?
Yeah, I am. Just driving around trying to find the spot to do the video. Seen all kinds of deer. Good thing we didn't hit any.
Wasn't going fast enough.
Yeah. But yeah, I've seen probably, I'd say at least 10 so far. What'd you give a hair? My hair is a mess tonight. I gotta watch it after a while and see if I can defrizz it.
Well, you can stick your finger in the light socket and see if it undoes your...
That's what it looks like I've stuck my finger in. It's a light
Yeah,
socket.
but stick it in backwards so it would be an undo.
No.
Sheesh, how many bites you gonna take? You keep taking...
Yeah, I've taken 4.
Yeah, and I only take 2.
Well, actually, mine's usually just the liquid. So,
You like the creamy?
I like the melted part.
Mm.
The melted ice cream. Our plan today, I should say, be it Sunday. I've been trying to post videos I have with him on Sundays because he's not been able to do videos with me as much lately because of either he's not been feel good and I'm not been feel good, or both of us are busy and yada yada yada. So my plan today, being it's Sunday, I was going to have us get up early while Mom and Dad was at church. And I was going to make a blueberry cheesecake quesadilla, however you say it. But we kind of overslept, so I'll have to do that maybe tomorrow.
I was awake.
You did too. You were asleep at that time.
No, you would have looked. You would have seen me play on my computer.
Well, then why didn't you say something?
Because you're grouchy.
I'm gonna get grouchy. So anyway, that was a plan. So that's one of our plans for a video coming up soon.
I was going to say something, but I forgot what it was. Oh, yeah. My biggest problem right now is whenever I stand up, within 3 minutes, I'm basically going to pass out.
Sometimes within 2 minutes.
Well, and so far the doctors don't know what causes it. And one doctor, they told me to take 3 ibuprofen a day for the next 2 weeks, and we're going to see how that works. And I told them at the dialysis clinic, and they're like, what? You should never take ibuprofen because it kills your kidneys.
Yeah. And because of so much overload with seeing so many doctors, the other ones that could think of why, we couldn't remember why he wasn't supposed to take ibuprofen until they at dialysis had mentioned that. It's like, oh, that's right. I forgot. I think it's like last year, a year and a half ago, something like that. Yeah. One of the doctors had told him to not take any more ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Well,
it was the cardiologist that did the thing to where I had to go to dialysis anyways.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah.
Wow, they didn't blend this very well. The whole bottom is nothing but vanilla. There's nothing in there.
I figure. So, yeah, his blood pressure issue has been quite the issue. Like, literally.
Mm-hmm.
It drops. Let's put it this way. There's been several times he's actually been in different doctor's offices. Not just one. Different doctor's offices. His blood pressure drops so drastically and so low that when they go to try to check his blood pressure, they can't even get a pulse.
Yeah, they can't find I've had 5 different people not be able to find a heartbeat.
Yeah.
And there's one who just barely. It's like, oh my goodness. And it took her a while.
So that's quite scary for him and myself, because we're worried if he's going to pass out or worse, particularly like if we're at the store or something.
Yeah, I went to the store. I was going to help her, grab a couple of things. I got the putt-putt. I went to get the almond milk out of the refrigerator. And then afterwards, all I had to get up was for a second, grab the stuff, sit back down, and then I was like...
Yeah, you're saying 3 minutes it takes you to have those problems. I said 2, but oftentimes it doesn't even take that long. It's just the simple mere standing up, getting something out of the refrigerator, and sitting back down. And he has all that kind of issues. It's very scary.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I want to go to the store by myself because I worry about him passing out and I have to take him to the hospital. At the same time, he still wants to, do stuff himself, which I understand. Totally get it.
Well,
so.
Bad enough you feel like crap anyways, but, you want to at least be able to do something.
Yeah. So we try to improvise. We try to work together. Usually I try to stay with him when we're at the store, but every once in a while he'll send me off to do, like, the other day I had to get some stuff out of the medical section of the store while he got the groceries. So we got separated on that. But, so he was standing up to get the milk and everything. And
yeah.
Every once in a while we separate so that it cuts the time of getting stuff done. Because even just there's times he's not even had to actually stand up while on a putt-putt at the store. It's just the mere putt-putting around in the cart. And by the time we get to the cash register, He looks like he's on death's door. He's sweating and really passed out. And
yeah, the nurses are always like, you know what causes that? No.
it's like
Doctors don't know what it causes it either.
Yeah, you're the one that's in the medical profession. You tell me.
This is cold.
Yeah, it is.
Personally, I don't like it very much.
Oh, you don't? But you're still eating it?
Well, all this right now is just vanilla ice cream.
Well, then don't eat it then. I'll eat it.
I like the vanilla ice cream.
Oh, you didn't like
the top
it?
was the stuff I didn't like.
Well, you didn't have to eat it.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. I would have ate it. You're getting picky lately. Oh my god!
Everything tastes funny.
It's like everything you say. I don't like it. I don't like it. We're gonna have to.
I'm getting old and grumpy.
I know. Trust me, I know. And I'm getting grumpy because you're getting grumpy.
You're always been old and grumpy.
No, I'm getting older and grumpier.
I know. You're always getting older and older and older.
Kick you in the butt. Karma.
Caramel?
Yeah, I got the caramel right here. But yeah, we're going to have to find a doctor and inquire what's causing your taste buds to be off. He's been having that issue lately too. It's like everything I fix for him or everything we eat when we're out. I don't like it. It's like ever since he's been in the hospital. Was this last time when he was bleeding out, or if it's because when you had your heart surgery?
I don't know.
So it's something around there. I didn't get a bite yet.
Did we bite you?
No. Like ever since then, ever since December, put it that way. I don't like it. Like you turn into a 2-year-old.
You'll think 2-year-old.
Eat what's set before you.
There ain't nothing in front of me.
Is now. Eat what's set before you and hush. It's what I always got told when I was a kid.
I'm not a kid.
Are you sure? Could fool me sometimes. What, 56-year-old? Wait, no. 57-year-old going on 5?
58.
You're not 58 until October.
What year is this?
You don't know your own age?
No.
I've been there before. I forgot mine before too. Like, what how old am I?
Ready?
Yeah. You know you're getting old when you forget your age.
Actually, when you get over 40, you don't care.
Yeah. Alright. So we're getting ready to scoop. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Let us know if you tried the
whatever it is.
Caramel fudge, whatever.
It's gonna get darker.
Huh?
It's gonna get darker.
Yeah. Not much. So yeah, I'll put the title in the title. So let me know if you tried it. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.
Adios.